Hey, how's it going? Brian Rodriguez Shop, bringing you another quick video. This one is of the Nintendo Switch Protection Case Kit. This one is of Mario, as you could see. Has a zipper as the other one that we were showing the other time, right? Remember? The 3DS one has a zipper just like this one. This one is pretty cool because, like how I said, it has Mario right here. Right. So what does it include? It includes the protective case, microfiber, the microfiber cleaning cloth, and a screen protector and an applicator. So that's what you have, right? Mario one. So here you have it. Brian Rodriguez, Best Deal Shop at BDSBonus.com. At BDSBonus.com. I got training videos for you guys, exclusive training videos. We got items. Of course, that's how Best Deal Shop, started. Entrepreneurs. There's trainings, there's softwares, there's over 15 bonuses right now. And then I'm gonna be more stuff, so check us out at BDSBonus.com, guys. BDSBonus.com.